Hello, Arya. There you go. Hi. 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 Wow. Welcome to my class, Arya. My name is Coach Angelica. You are Arya, right? Yes. Okay. Nice to meet you. Yes. Where are you from, Arya?
I live in Hawaii and I'm born in Korea.
Hawaii. Wow, you are Korean. Teacher always watch Korean teleserye. Okay, mommy have told me about you. You are good in math and you are looking forward on building stronger foundations in understanding mathematics concept. And next year you will be moving on to fourth grade. Am I right? Yes, okay. So since this is our trial class together area, I am going to assess you first. I will be giving you sort of questions and then I will tell mommy the result after so that I can see if how's your performance and how can we start on your future topics, okay? Yes, because I need to know first the foundation you had on your previous math topics. Okay, ready? Yes. Okay, can you see now my screen right here saying, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Okay, great. So I am just going to input your name right here. You are my second student that has the same name, Arya. You know, I was wondering why my students always have similar names. Okay. All right. So let's start with this question, Arya. Use the number line to help solve 18, take away 13. That's basic.
5.
5. Okay. Next question, Arya. A clown has a silly string that is 52 centimeter long and a magic scarf that is 28 centimeter long. How long are the clown's silly string and magic scarf all together?
80.
80. All right. Very good. Next, you will know your score later, right after this whole test. Okay? Again, this is called assessment test. Okay. Is this your first time doing class online in Zoom? No, you had so many Zoom classes. Yes, okay, that's good. All right, here, comparing less than, greater than, or equal to.
Greater than and less than.
What is it read? Less or greater?
Less.
Less. Okay, good. Same. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. So, first is you are going to know What is the pattern? Is it pattern? Yes, it is pattern. So you just have to know what will be the interval of having 600, 700, 800. So you will know the interval on that. So what will be the missing numbers?
300 and 500.
3 and 500. Perfect. Okay, here. Aria, after this one, you will also receive a reward. Do you like having rewards?
Yeah.
And do you have, by the way, do you have a favorite cartoon character or collection? Do you like collecting things
I like collecting like little characters,
like Barbie? What else? Hello Kitty,
like many characters, but my favorite character is Stitch.
Stitch. Oh, yeah. Stitch is cute. Okay. So Terry is donating food to a local food bank. So the table on the right shows what she is donating. You see that here in the table. How many items will Terry donate to the food bank in all? Go, Aria.
82.
82. Okay, here. This is showing time on the clock. Are you done with this one at school? Yes, good. So which clock shows 8:15?
B.
B. All right. Next question. Okay. For a baking competition, 7 people each made 9 desserts. Which expression can we use to find the total number of desserts made for the baking competition?
7 times 9.
7 times 9. Easy. Okay. I just want to test your third grade skills. Some of this one are third grade skills. Okay? All right. Very good so far. So, do you know what is this called? This is called
Array.
array. Good. Now, help solve the array. Solve 3 times 9. It's easy peasy.
27.
27. Okay. Okay. Fraction. I know you had fractions on your third grade. So here, what fraction represents the pink dot area?
5, 6.
5. 5 thirds.
5 third.
5 thirds. So which of that in here? Is it thirds or 5? 5 is correct, but the denominator is need improvement.
5 thirds.
5 thirds. When you have 1 in here, what's the
5.
fraction here? That's 2 over 2. So we will be using a denominator of 2 only. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it's correct 5, but it's over 2, not 3. Okay? Now, can you choose now which of the following here is equivalent to 5 over 2?
Mm,
What is, okay, as you see here, this is mixed number area, right? So you can convert that one to 5/2 or fraction. Do you remember how to do it?
Mhm.
Okay. Also with the other one, so that you will know which of them is the same as 5/2. Mhm. So just have to grab my notebook, okay? Because I have to list down the topics that you needed improvement, okay? Tell me when you are done. Do you forget?
This one.
Mhm. Okay, so I will let you remember on this one. 2 1/2. This is mixed fraction, and then we are going to convert it to a proper. Now, in doing that, all we just have to do is to multiply the whole number and the denominator and add it to the 1. So, 2 times 2 is
4,
plus 1,
5.
5, and copy whatever the denominator is. So this gives the 5/2. Okay? And this one is still the same. So 2 times 3,
5 and 6,
6, plus 1.
7.
So this is 7/2, which isn't 5/2. So for this one, the answer area is 2.5. But we just have to skip this one since you forget this one. Okay? Yes. So I will just take note here. Fractions. Okay. All right. Volume. Do you remember volume? Yes. So this is just an estimate area, which is the closer volume of a watering can. Watering can. So can we say, is it 8 liters, 80 liters, or 8 milliliters? Do you know what's a watering can? Yes, used to do on flowers, vegetables. So, which is the correct way on saying the unit or the volume? How much is the amount of water inside a watering can?
I don't think I learned this.
Ah, okay, you didn't learn. This is called measurement. Have you learned liter, milliliter, inches? No yet, not
I
yet.
learned inches and centimeters, but not millimeters. And
Ah, not yet with liters. Okay, so I just have to take note that in here, okay? All right, so let's skip this one. At least I know the things that isn't done or not yet done, because that's a little bit the last part of your third grade, but you're still on your third grade right now, right? Yes. Okay, so let's submit, and it gives 80 points. So as I see, only the last part of the assessment isn't yet. Why? Because you are still doing that one in school. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So now, as we are done with the assessment, we will start over on third grade fraction. Is that okay? Yes. We will start over with in identifying unit fractions. Okay, let's start first in understanding. Okay, I know you have a little bit of an idea, but I will just start at the beginning of fractions, okay? Okay. Here, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Let's start from the very basic one. Cutting shapes into equal parts. Why? Because the fraction is having an equal parts area. So, example, when you are eating a pizza. So, what is the shape of a pizza?
One, five.
Circle. The pizza is circle, right? So, when you are eating pizza with your friend, when your best friend, do you have a best friend?
Yes.
Yes. So when you are eating pizza with your friend and you want to eat equal size of pizza, so you will just cut it into halves so that you will have an equal piece of pizza. So fraction is all about cutting to different shape, to different sizes, as long as they are
Equal.
equal. Exactly. As long as they are equal. So same thing here, Arya. Can you help me find 1/4? Which one?
This one.
This one. Okay. Is that all, or is there anything else that gives you fraction? Is there anything else or not anymore?
There is
There is.
C.
C. Okay, good. Now, I just want to give you a short recap. What is the top? The numerator means is the number of, oh, wait. The number of shaded, right?
Yeah.
And the bottom is the total parts, shaded or unshaded, as long as it's the total sizes. So A and C is correct. Very good, Arya. So that's the beginning, okay? I just give you a short recap. Okay, how about this? Which figures are divided into equal parts, Arya?
B,
B,
C, and A.
B, C, and A. Why not D, Arya?
Because some of them have like they have a long line in the middle, but the end of the circle, it's like a small circle, and like in the middle, it's like that big.
Very good. So, overall saying the sizes are not equal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Okay, last one for the understanding fraction. Is this or is each piece equal to 1/2 of the area of the pizza? This is coach example earlier. Yes or no?
Wait, what?
Is each piece of pizza equal to 1/2?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So of course, because as you see, the pizza is in equal size. Very good. Okay, so all good about cutting shapes. All good. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to identifying unit fractions. What is identifying unit fraction? It's you who will identify what is the fraction. Okay? Okay. This one, Aria. Very good. It's the C. Why not A?
As the total is 3,
So what's the fraction
and
in A?
it's 1/3,
How about in B?
1/4.
Very good. Okay. Only a little on this because you know already unit fraction. What's the fraction in this one?
1/6.
1/6. Okay. Very good. Okay. So all good with identifying unit fraction. Now, Arya, I can see that when it comes to equal parts, you did great. When it comes to unit fraction, you did good. How about when we try to deal with understanding the context? Meaning, you have to understand the given situation. Okay, look at this one here, Arya. Can you read it for me? Can you try? I want to hear.
Beth ate 6 pieces of the chocolate bar. This bar was split into 8 equal-sized pieces. What fraction of the chocolate bar did Beth eat?
Good reading, Arya. So, what fraction of the chocolate bar did Beth eat?
6/8.
6/8. Very good. Why? Because the 6 is the pieces that Beth eaten, right? Or eaten. Now, 8 is the equal size, meaning this is the total sizes of the chocolate bar after being cut. Yes, good understanding, Arya. Okay, what about this one? There are 3 balls outside during recess. 2 of the balls are soccer balls. What fraction of balls are soccer balls?
2/3.
2/3, because what we are going to find is the soccer ball, right? So 2/3 is right. Okay, here, Brian ate 5 pieces of pie. So the pie was cut into 6 equal-sized pieces. So what fraction of the pie did Brian eat?
5/6.
5/6. Very good. Okay, here. So on the Sharks dive team, there are 3 divers in 3rd grade. So there are 8 total divers on the team. So what fraction of Sharks dive team is in 3rd grade?
3/8.
38. Yay! Very good on this context. Wait, I just have to input that here in my feedback card. Is there any clarification on the previous review or not anymore?
No.
Not anymore. This time, we will move to the next understanding fraction, okay? We have recognize. So, recognize, you will recognize the fraction on your own with the help of the shape. Okay, so which shape right here? Okay, I will zoom it out. which shape right here, Arya, is 1/3?
This one, and yes.
That's all. Is
Yeah.
that all? Yes, correct. Okay, here. So you identify what fraction of the square is shaded.
1/3.
1/3. Okay, good. Here,
2/6.
2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 2, 6. Okay, this one. You're going to identify which is 2, 6 right there. You should choose two answers. This one.
And this.
Very good. Okay, next, Aria.
2/3.
2/3. Okay, 2/3 is correct. Next.
5/8.
5/8. Yes, and this one. Each large rectangle is equal to one whole. So which images show 3/4 shaded?
Mm, this one and this one.
Exactly. So is there any question on recognizing fraction?
No.
This is the one that we had earlier when you supposedly say 5/3 instead of 5/2. Okay? Those are greater than 1. So in identifying fraction greater than 1, step 1 is locate what fraction is the one whole. Now, if we look on the one whole area, this is the one whole from 0 to 1. That's the one whole, okay? And here we say this is 2. Okay. Now, how to identify the denominator of the fraction? Because it says it is us who will create the fraction, right? Numerator. Now, first thing, we locate what fraction is the one whole. So in locating, simply count the dash line, each unit. So 1, 2, 3, and that means one whole is over 4. So since the 1 is over 4, then the whole denominators is always over 4. Do you get that? Yes. Now, is the numerator changing? Like, is the numerator counted to be like from 0 up to infinity? Up to infinity? Yes. So in here, for example, we have how many shaded portions? How many shaded are there in this whole?
3.
1, 2, 3. Now, if that is the numerator area, you will count all the shaded, not like the denominator. Okay? So 1,
2, 3, 4. 5, 6.
7. So we say that the number of or the fraction is 7 over 4. You have to remember this one, Arya. So for the denominator, only the total of this. Okay? But for the numerator, you count all the shaded. Do you get that? Yes. So for this one, our fraction is 7/4. Now, you try this again. What will be the numerator first? What's the numerator here, Aria?
5.
You mean denominator. The numerator is the number of shaded. The
8.
denominator total of one shade. So,
8.
no, it's not 8. A little bit more. Can you count carefully? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So this is 9. Now, how many total parts of one shape? One shape only. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So because for the denominator, that's only the total parts of one shape. Do you get it? Okay, it's okay if not yet because we are still reviewing. Okay, how about this one? Can you help me find 8/3? 8 shaded over 3. Total in one shade. Look carefully.
8.
Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Correct. Okay, we still have one more to go. Okay, what is it, Arya? Sorry, I just have to transfer this here so that the view is nice. Do you like it? It's so cute. Okay, I like bears. Okay, which is the other one, Arya?
B.
B. Oh, look at the total in one shape in B. Is it 3 or no?
No.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's over 4. So it's not B. Try again.
D.
D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. Excuse me. And is each shape a total of 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. So that's it. Okay. Do you get it? A little bit.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, let's do this one. Okay. What fraction is it, Arya?
5.
5. Okay, let me write it out here.
over 2.
2. It should be the total of all parts in one shape.
6.
1, 2, 3. What? For the denominator area, it's the total of one shape. Shaded or even non-shaded. Okay? As long as it's the total cut. Okay, so that's 5/3. Okay, let's have more on that. Okay, this one you try. I just have to erase this. This and this. Okay, go Arya.
Mm. 5, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You still have to continue on that. And for the total parts in one shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are correct. 8. But for the shaded, there are 8 shaded, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that 8 eighths or 1. Okay. This one, 11 6. Okay. Where is 11 6? Is the screen okay to you or is it hard to count?
It's okay.
It's okay. Good. You will get 11 shaded and 6 total.
C.
B. Okay, let me check B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Which is the other one?
C.
It's blurred on this part, right? Maybe
Yeah.
there's something wrong with my camera. Wait. Yeah. Okay. What's your other answer?
C.
C. Okay. Oh, it's not C. Okay, let's count the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Only 15. That's too much. So that is A. Okay, yeah, A. All right. That's it for the assessment review. So I am looking forward, Arya, that if you would like to continue with Teacher Angelica, we will start with this topic, greater than one. Okay? And since Arya did a good job in class, of course, as I promised, Arya will now have a reward. So let me just have it here. Okay. R, yeah. Ta-da! This is the cover of your reward, Arya. And this will be the land where your collection will be put into. Ta-da! It is called Arya's land. Now, so that we can grab some collections in there, I will just let you choose a certain box. So what would you like to choose from there, Arya?
Mm.
Each num
Okay.
each box has a specific coins. 100 is the greatest. This has been your lucky day, Arya. So the 500, Arya, the 100, I mean, you will put that in here, okay? So the 100 will be put here. So now, congratulations because Arya now have 100 coins. And that 100 coins, Arya, you will use that here. Welcome to One-on-One Math Mall. So you can buy a collection or a different item to these different stores in here. You can either choose one item at a time so that your 100 coins um will not be zero. So you can choose which store. This has Barbie unicorns. We also have Pokemon, Roblox, BTS, Walt Disney. So tell me, which store would you like to buy
Can you press more?
more?
Can I do Roblox?
Of course, you're like my son. He likes Roblox too. So here
I,
are the items in Roblox. Wait,
I play Roblox.
huh? You
I
play
play
Roblox?
Roblox. Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. Ta-da! There are only three available items in Roblox. So each has 45 coins, 65 coins, 85 coins. So you can afford one of them since you have 100. So one item at a time. What would you like, Arya?
I don't like any of them.
Now let's go back. Of course, of course, customer is always right. You are free to decline. Go back to the main mall.
Maybe
Wait for the
Barbie. I mean pets.
pets. Okay. Do you have a favorite pet?
Dog.
Dog. We have a cute dog, a big dog here.
Can I have the one at the end?
This?
Yeah.
Okay. The one that is 40. So, hi, dog. Arya wants to buy you. So we will put that here in Arya's place. And your coins will be deducted to 40. You now have a savings of 60. Ta-da! But you can also transfer this dog any any direction you like.
Hmm. Can you put it here?
Sure. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good, Arya. Are you happy with your reward?
Yeah.
Every class you will be rewarded. Okay. So is mommy there, Arya?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I talk to mommy?
My mom says um my mom says if you ask that because someone said that before in my another class, my mom says message her.
Okay. So I will just message mommy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Arya, I really like you in my class. I hope to see you more in my classes, okay?
Yeah.
I am looking forward. Thank you, Arya. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.